Meaning of dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box.
Dispatch box. The term dispatch box refers to a box used by members of Parliament in the United Kingdom to store and transport important documents related to parliamentary proceedings. The box is traditionally made of black leather and can be seen on the table in front of the Prime Minister during debates in the House of Commons. It is also used by other senior officials, such as cabinet ministers and speakers of the House. The dispatch box has become an iconic symbol of British politics and is often referenced in media and popular culture.